Hi, Bruce from Safari, and look at this crew we've got here tonight, right? 8:30 at night. If you don't know, Danny here from Power Station Co. and Andrew here, and he's inside he's at the back here of his Suzuki Sierra, is that right? And where are you off to, Danny?
We are off to Think Desert Race and Uluru, where there's no rivers. The desert, where there's no rivers.
And what are you going to be doing there, Danny? Let me ask.
We're going to be serving coffee for the people.
And let's just have a look. Look at this. You've probably seen this before in this Suzuki, but we have popped a Scotty in here, right? So look at this. And Danny's got one in there. And we're just running it idle. We are getting about 1400 watts there before at idle. It's dropped to about 1 kilowatt now. But she was just pumping out the power there before like crazy. And you're going to have a lot of fun there, right, Dan?
Can't wait. Taking the family, taking the crew. 3 weeks.
How good's that?
So good.